Hey, what's up guys? So today I have a new product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. So today I have with me is a mask. Get it open a little bit. Comes just like this. Like this, just to cover your neck. It has this little pooling so it can tie it up. So the good thing about this mask, it does cover your neck, so your neck won't be cold either. The mask fit tight, your neck covered. In the back, you can pull and make it tighter so it won't go down on you. Looks just like that. It's a very good mask. You can breathe through it. That's the good thing about it, because there's their mask that you cannot breathe through it. And your neck is nice and covered. Awesome fit. Love it so far. Look at that. I'm gonna put my hat on. Look at that. Fits real good. Love it. That is Elastic. That's the name brand. And it doesn't smell or anything. It's perfect. Perfect. Love it. Well, if you have any question whatsoever, comment below. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Awesome mask, and you can breathe. Awesome.